welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got F150. This is by Welly and it's 1:60. Something different about this F150 is the most of the F150 casting you see from Matchbox, Hot Wheels, and few other, they are mostly crew cabs, even 5-seater ones. But this one is a regular cab, so 2 or 3-seater with a long bed. So that's especially caught my eyes because I don't normally see these one. Like older ones you get those, but newer ones you only get like crew cabs. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here it is, the F150 out of the packaging. So this Welly diecast looks really good and it has got some good details. Let's start from the front. So up front you've got Ford logo, you've got nicely detailed grille, you got detailed headlamp, bumper. We can see the fog lamps here, but it isn't detailed. Since it's a regular cab, it's a basic truck, so no big any vents or anything on hood. I'm glad they included both the mirrors. Now coming to the driver's side, again some good details here. I love the wheels, they look pretty good and look more like an alloy wheel you will get on a real truck. Also, I don't know if you can see, there's a F150 badge on the side. If you look inside, you've got 3 seats because it's a bench configuration, so you've got 3 seats. Gear shifters are mostly column mounted. Apart from that, you can see side steps, bed step, wheel filler cap. Good details, I would say. Also, I like how they did this cowl different in black, and then the wipers looks really good. As you can notice, the bed again is different in colors. Basically what you get normally, where it's like either there's a sprayed in bed liner or a drop in bed liner, so it's mostly you will see black ones. That's good. Let's move to the rear. Again, some good details here. You've got the Ford badge, you've got the F150 badge. I don't know how visible it is. You've got the tailgate handle. So got the bumper in black with the step there. Again, good details. Coming to the passenger side, it's almost identical. The only difference being the missing fuel filler cap. So I think it looks really good. Oh yeah, it's also got some details on the bottom. So if you see here, you see the spare wheel mounted there. Again, good details, I would say. Yes, so I think Welly did a really great job with this one. I only have few Welly diecast in my collection, but I think I dig it. I like it. They look really good and they have good details and they are good overall. So these are my thoughts. Thank you for watching.